Welcome to FactoNugget, your fast dose of wild, weird, and wow-worthy facts. Today we're diving deep into the animal kingdom with 10 incredible facts that prove nature is way more bizarre and brilliant than most people realize. So grab your curiosity and let's get wild. Fact number 1, a sea slug can decapitate itself and regrow its whole body. Meet Elysia marginata, a species of sea slug that takes self-care to the extreme. When infected with parasites, this slug can literally cut off its own head and regenerate its entire body. Heart, muscles, everything, within weeks. Scientists think it uses photosynthesis-like behavior to stay alive during the process. Basically, it runs on sunlight like a solar-powered zombie head. Fact number 2, elephants can hear with their feet and even communicate long distance. Elephants are masters of low-frequency sound. They can detect infrasonic rumbles from other herds miles away. And they don't just hear it with their ears. The pads on their feet pick up ground vibrations and send signals up their leg bones to the brain. It's like nature gave them built-in seismic sensors. Fact number 3, butterflies can taste with their feet and lay eggs only on plants their babies can eat. A butterfly's legs have taste sensors, so when it lands on a leaf, it's not just standing, it's sampling. This helps butterflies decide if a plant is the right kind for laying eggs. If it doesn't pass the taste test, the baby caterpillars won't survive. Talk about picky parenting. All right, Nugget fam, if you could borrow an animal ability for a day, what would it be? Camouflage like a chameleon? Web slinging like a spider? Flying like an eagle? Regrowing limbs like a starfish? Comment your pick below. And if you're loving these wild facts, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a brain-boosting moment here on FactoNugget. Fact number 4, caterpillars turn into literal soup inside their cocoon. Before becoming butterflies, caterpillars break down into a gooey liquid inside their chrysalis. Their organs dissolve, and from that liquid, wings, legs, eyes, and a whole new brain grow. It's not just a costume change, it's a full-body DNA-level reboot. Fact number 5, penguins propose with pebbles, and they mate for life. Male Adelie penguins search tirelessly for the perfect pebble, smooth, shiny, and just the right size, to offer to a female. If she accepts, they start building a nest together. It's like nature's cutest marriage proposal, complete with the ring, well, pebble. Fact number 6, giraffes sleep less than any other mammal, often just 30 minutes a day. Because giraffes are so tall and vulnerable, they take tiny naps standing up, usually no longer than 5 minutes at a time. Their total sleep per day, often just half an hour, and yet they remain alert, energetic, and graceful. Nature's tall insomniacs. Fact number 7, some spiders can fly by riding electricity in the air. Using a method called ballooning, spiders release silk threads that catch electrostatic currents in the atmosphere. These threads can lift them into the sky and carry them across entire continents. Some have been found 2.5 miles high and 1,000 miles out at sea, just floating through the air like creepy tiny paragliders. Fact number 8, some turtles can breathe through their butts. During hibernation in cold water, certain turtles, like the Australian Fitzroy river turtle, absorb oxygen through their cloaca, a multi-purpose opening used for, well, everything else too. It's called cloacal respiration, and yes, it's a real thing. Turtle butts, weirdly efficient. Fact number 9, rats laugh when tickled, and they love it. In lab studies, rats responded to tickling with high-pitched giggles, far above our hearing range. What's more, they come back for more, chasing the scientist's hand like it's a game. Rats may not talk, but science says they definitely feel joy. Fact number 10, one jellyfish species may be biologically immortal. The Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish can revert its cells back to an earlier stage of life, basically hitting the biological reset button. It can repeat this process indefinitely, making it the only known creature that can technically live forever, unless eaten or injured, of course. Immortality might not be just a myth, it's floating in the ocean right now. From sea slugs that self-destruct to jellyfish that cheat death, the animal kingdom is packed with surprises. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. We read everyone. And remember to like, subscribe, and join the FactoNugget crew for your weekly hit of wow-worthy facts. Until next time, stay wild and stay curious.